Hello, everyone. Today I'm diving into a topic that's both urgent and inspiring. How Zimbabwe is leading the charge in Africa's battle against the harsh impacts of drought. With climate change ramping up challenges like never before, Zimbabwe's role is becoming increasingly crucial. Let's explore this together. Zimbabwe, a country known for its beautiful landscapes and rich history, is now facing one of its toughest challenges yet: drought. Driven by phenomena like El Niño, these droughts aren't just a temporary hardship, they threaten the very sustenance of millions. But here's where the story takes a hopeful turn. Under the leadership of Emerson Mnangagwa, Zimbabwe is not just tackling this problem head-on, it's also stepping up as a leader for the entire continent. Imagine this, a nation, despite its own struggles, taking the mantle to safeguard and nurture the future of an entire continent. That's both heroic and heartening. Recently, George Sharamba, the spokesperson for Mnangagwa, announced a significant move. Zimbabwe is now in talks with the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, focused on strategies to combat these drought conditions. But there's more. Zimbabwe is spearheading efforts to innovate in the field of agriculture, particularly the development of fertilizers tailored to thrive in African soils affected by drought. This isn't just about farming smarter. It's about creating a sustainable model that other African nations can replicate, ensuring food security and resilience against future climatic shocks. Imagine a continent united by the innovations birthed in Zimbabwe, standing strong against the tides of climate change. In essence, Zimbabwe's initiative through the Africa Center for Development isn't just a beacon of hope for its own citizens, but a lighthouse guiding the entire African continent towards a more sustainable and secure future. What we see here is a testament to the power of leadership and international cooperation. It's a narrative that tells us that even in the face of dire challenges, there are nations and leaders who rise, not just to meet their own needs, but to help the entire community of nations. In conclusion, Zimbabwe's proactive stance in spearheading agricultural innovations and collaborative efforts to combat drought is a shining example of how collective resolve and foresight can transform challenges into opportunities for growth and unity. Thank you for joining me on this inspiring journey. Let's continue to support and watch closely as Zimbabwe paves the way in creating a resilient and flourishing Africa. Together, we can all learn and perhaps implement similar strategies in our own regions to combat the global challenge of climate change. Remember, every big change starts with one small step, and Zimbabwe is taking those steps not just for itself, but for all of Africa.